Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to understand the first chapter of H.K. Das Mathematical Physics. We are discussing about the total differential. In total differential, we are discussing the total increments to the variables. So in partial differentiation of a function of two or more variables, only one variable is varying. But in total differentiation, increments are given in all the variables. Total differential coefficient. For that we are considering z is equal to f of x plus f of x comma y, and delta x and delta y be the increments in x and y, and delta z be the corresponding increment in z. So we can represent z plus delta z, that's equal to f of x plus delta x, y plus delta y. And by subtracting these equations, we getting like this. Okay, adding and subtracting f of x comma y plus delta y on RHS of 3, that is in above equation we are adding and subtracting the f of x comma y plus delta y, and we are multiplying with the delta x and divide by delta x, and here also we are multiplying with the delta y and dividing with the delta y, and on the limiting value, when delta x turns to 0, delta y turns 0, we get the dz, that's equal to dou f by dou x dx plus dou f by dou y dy, and dz is called the total differential of z. This is just a theory how to find the total differential coefficient. To find the equation, for that we are giving this derivation here. So this is very simple. To consider the total differentiation, we are going to considering the variables, all the variables increments. Okay, so change of two independent variables x and y by any other variables t. So we are considering a function z is equal to f of x comma y, and we are considering x equal to phi of t and y is equal to psi of t. That means we are changing x and y variables into another variable t in terms of t. Okay, so z is a composite function of t. That means x is a function of t and x is a variable of the function z. So z is a composite function of t. So we can represent as dz by dt is equal to dou z by dou x into dx by dt plus dou z by dou y into dy by dt, where dz by dt is called total differential coefficient of z. Okay, and next, how to change the independent variables x and y by other two variables like u and v. So we are considering z is a function of x comma y and x equal to u comma v. Y is equal to function of psi of u comma v. So we can know that the total differentiation, that is equal to dou z by dou u, that's equal to dou z by dou u, that's equal to dou f by dou x into dou x by dou u plus dou f by dou y into dou y by dou u. Dou z by dou v is equal to dou f by dou x into dou x by dou v plus dou f by dou y into dou y by dou v. These equations are important. So how to by heart these equations like this? You are considering the function dou z by dou u. So we are considering function z is a function of f of x comma y. So we have to differentiate with the function with the x differentiation, but we know that we actually need dou z by dou u. So in multiply with the dou x by dou u. So after cutting dou x we get dou f by dou u. Actually we can't do like that, but to by heart this equation we are understanding like this. Okay, so after cutting dou x we get dou f by dou u, and dou f by dou u is here. Okay, here or here also. So we are just understanding the function z is a function of x comma y. So we are applying the differentiation here like this. So this is very important formulas for us. So it is theory is just dry concept, but the questions are very simple and we get the answers very simply. So the question that is u is equal to x cube plus y cube, where x equal to a cos t, y is equal to b sin t. Find du by dt and verify the result. So we have to find not only the partial differentiation, we have to find the full differentiation, that means total differentiation. So we know that we have to find du by dt. So the u is given by, that is x cube plus y cube, and x equal to a cos t and y is equal to b sin t is given. So du by dt, we have to find du by dt. So we know that the formula u is a function of x comma y. For that we know the what is that, the equation, that is du by dt, that's equal to du by dx into dx by dt plus not du, dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. So dou u by dou x, for that we differentiate u expression with the x, that's equal to x cube differentiation with respect to x, that is 3x square. Here also we have to find dou u by dou y, that is y cube differentiation with respect to y is 3y square. Okay, and dx by dt, that is x equal to a cos t. So dx by dt, that's equal to a into cos t, that is minus sin t. So minus a sin t, plus here dy by dt here. So dy by dt, that is equal to b cos t. So we are substituting this, and we substituting x equal to a cos t here and y is equal to b sin t here. So we get the expression like this. So here we can use another method, that is verification. Here we are running here we are doing this like this: u is equal to x cube plus y cube. So we are substituting x and y in terms of t, and we actually doing the direct differentiation here. Okay, that is du by dt, that is just like differentiate with the t. So this is all about the total differentiation.